Okay, so what we have here is a 2019 Honda CBR500R, just brand new. Now the reason I'm making this video is that I am putting on the new Delkevic exhaust, and it's this one right here. It's just the slip-on exhaust. Now it does state that it is a 2016 to 2018 slip-on exhaust, but we're going to show you that it does also fit the 19. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the stock exhaust sounds like, and then we'll go. So this is it at idling. I'll rev it up, not a lot. Still under the 500 kilometer break-in period. So there you have the stock exhaust, and then we'll go from there. We'll install the new Delkevic exhaust and see how she looks and sounds. So I'm back now, and I literally just got the exhaust dropped off at my house, and it comes nicely packaged. Everything is either bubble wrapped or styrofoam wrapped, including the exhaust itself. Now it also will come with your stainless steel pipe, clamp, exhaust sealant, the rubber gasket to put around the muffler itself, and instructions. Now what you're going to need to remove the stock exhaust is just a 12 mil socket and a 12 mil wrench. Okay? Like so. Alright, so there you have the gigantic stock exhaust. It's obviously not bad, but yeah. So up next we'll be installing the new one. Okay, so we are back and we have the exhaust removed. I have installed the one exhaust pipe. Now you will notice that it does. Let me just shine a light down here. If you can see, it does make a seal completely around it down there. Now, will you have to... There we go. Now, will you have to persuade this? Yes. As you can see, it does have a bend around the swing arm. This has to come up, I mean, not dangerously, you know, having a crazy bend down here, but it does fit, and when I put the actual muffler on, it slips on like so. And once you have that on, put the rubber gasket, rubber gasket around. There is white tape covering the actual clamp. Take that off, obviously. So, and I will show you everything buttons up. Choose Just gotta loosen. Clamp. Line up the holes. You may have to play with the hole a little bit to get it lined up. And like so. So as you can see, it does fit. There's nothing crazy about it. Just remember, you do have to bring this pipe up as much as you can, and then it all fits fine. So what we're going to do now, the baffle's in it. Now we are going to button everything up, start it up, see how it sounds. Only thing is, if you want to change, take the baffle out, just undo this clamp, undo this, pull it out, and it's actually inside. There's a bolt under here that it'll just fall right out. Okay, so everything's buttoned up. We got this tight clamp, this tight clamp. It's tight. Now we're going to start it up, see how it sounds. Okay, so in my opinion, that's the best sounding exhaust for the 500. Everything else kind of sounds dirt bike-ish, like a two-stroke something. It doesn't really sound right to me, but this sounds really good. Like I said, best I've heard. All right, so 2019 Honda CBR 500R. The Delkevic exhaust will work from the 16 to 18 if you obviously get that. And yeah, there you go.